All right, welcome to the video today, guys. We're going to be answering a frequent question I get asked all the time. It's one of the first questions I always get asked is what material do you select for your ear tag? Now, the truth of the matter is there is no preset material in Xtool Studios for these ear tags. They're polyurethane material. There's really not a good option in Xtool. The thing you're going to have to do is I highly suggest watching our grid array test video on YouTube or on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, it's all over the place. I suggest watching that video, running some grid array tests on each new color that you're doing for your laser, and determining the correct power and speed and lines per centimeter that you want to use for your color of ear tags that you're using. So once you do have those settings figured out and you've dialed them in and you like them, I'm going to show you guys how to develop and put in the material, make your own material in Xtool Studio here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is I'm going to give you an example here. I'm doing a turquoise and black tag. I've set this jig up with these tags. I've cut them already. I'm happy at 90% power, 200% or 200 millimeters per second speed, 100 lines per centimeter. I'm happy with this. I've went and I've saved the file already. We go File, Save As. This is important. We're saving these settings associated with this file. So we're going to go in, we're going to save it. I'm just going to overwrite it just as an example. So now we've saved this file as turquoise and black. Now we're going to go up into unknown material. We're going to click that. You can see I've already done this one. We'll just do it again. We'll add material up here in the top corner. We're going to type in the name. Okay, so we're going to type in, I'm just going to type in T and B because I've already done this. I'm going to actually be deleting this one. So let's go turquoise and black. We're going to go set the material characteristics. It's flammable, I would say. Turn on air assist pump. We'll do those two. Now the next important thing is we're going to be pulling the settings from that file that we just saved. So we're going to click here. We're going to go select from local file. And then we're actually going to go here, find that turquoise and black file that we just saved. We're going to open it. Now this is the key part. It's going to import two different settings and you have to select the right setting because we actually have two different settings in this file. And you're going to see the first one, we have 1% power, 20% speed. Now that's not right. So we're going to go up here to setting 1. We're going to go to setting 2. And you're going to see there's all our settings that we want. So we're going to hit confirm on there. And that's right. Now the other thing that you can do is import a material cover. So you have a little thumbnail. So we're going to click that and I'm going to show you guys. I've already went to the Ritchie Tags website and downloaded all their tag colors. So this is kind of handy. Now we can click open. We can adjust it if we want, but we're just going to hit that. Gives us a little thumbnail. Now we can hit submit. Now that we've submitted that, we're going to go and select it. T and B. We'll hit apply. There you go. You now have your material and you have all your settings from that material. So that's a pretty handy way to just add your settings for each tag color that you have. And that's how you create your own materials. And that's what I suggest you guys do. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys are looking for an ear tag jig, check us out, eartagjig.com. You can order on there. We ship all across North America.